you're creating a Word document and you're formatting as you go along, you can create tables quite quickly using this method. Let's take a look now. Okay, so I have my document and I don't have the text in there, but I know I'm going to put a table in. So in order to do that, I just click where I would like the table to go and go up to Insert, into Table. And today we're going to look at, or in this video, we're going to look at two ways of doing this. You can see there's more ways of creating tables. If you'd like videos on those, please do put those in the comments below. So the first way we're going to look at is this insert table. You pause across the number of columns and rows. So columns go across, rows go down, and it tells you exactly what it's going to do. In this case, is 4x2 table. And you can see it's creating it behind me. Then I click and it's created. Okay, I'm just going to put in some text. Now my table actually is more than 2 rows, so I'm at the end of the table. If I press the Tab key, so the Tab key on the keyboard, it will automatically create a new row. I don't have to go up to my tabs at the top to do this, okay, or right mouse click and insert, etc. Just press Tab. That also moves you across, and Shift and Tab, so holding the Shift down when you press Tab will move you backwards. Okay, and I'm just going to add in another. Great. Now I'm just going to move down to where I'd like my next table to go. Okay, so I'd like my next table to be here. So again, I go up to Insert, Table, and this time I'm going down to the Insert Table option. This will bring up a pop-up, and you can see I have the number of columns, number of rows, so I can type in how many. I actually only want 2 columns. I could use the spinner button here, so up or down, and I can put in number of rows. If you know how many you want, put in the number, but if you're not sure, just start with 2, 3, 5, whatever, and then use that Tab key on the keyboard to just create a new row. The auto behavior, these are options I like. Now fixed column width means that each column is going to be a fixed size and it's whatever you say. So this one says auto, but you can actually say I want it 4 centimeters or whatever. Then you have AutoFit to contents. This one is where you're typing in and the columns will resize to fit what you're typing in. Then we have AutoFit to window. This is my preference. This is what I'd like to use today. And so it's going to make sure it's between the margins. I can also tick if I want it to remember the dimensions for the new table for the next time I come in here and use this option. I'm just going to click on OK and it now creates it. And I'll put some text in. And again, I can tab if I want a new row. In this case, all of my first column, they're very, it's more like a heading, so it's very small compared to the second column. So I want to resize this. A quick way of doing that is to put your mouse on the line and you'll get a, sometimes you have to jiggle the mouse a little bit, but you get a line with 2 arrows on either side, or a double-headed arrow with a line in the middle. Then you click and drag with the mouse and you can see it's resizing my columns, but it hasn't touched the table width itself. So it's very, very useful. Okay, now if you find that you wanted to, say, take text and convert it to a table, I do have a video on that. I'll try and put the link up at the top throughout the video. And And then if you also have any suggestions for topics to cover, then please do put that in the comments below. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on the thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. There should be a link somewhere either up here or here, as well as a link to another video that you might find useful. Thanks so much for watching and have a fantastic day. Bye for now.